නමෝ තස්ස භගවතු අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස. Dear devotees, I am going to discuss a stanza taken from Dhammapada, who preached by our Lord Buddha. It says, Nabache papake mitte, nabache purisadame, bacheta mitte kalyane, bacheta purisuddhame. Nabache papake mitte, do not associate with bad friends. Nabache purisadame, do not associate with evil friends. Bacheta mitte kalyane, it is very good to associate with good friends. Bhajeta purisuddhame, it is very good to associate with wise friends. So Buddha says in this stanza, do not associate bad or evil friends, because those bad friends never give us any good qualities into our life. If they associate them, we have to face so many barriers, so many challenges, so many problems. So it is very good to associate only good friends. By associating good friends, we can get so many good qualities, good benefits into our life. May the Noble Triple Gem bless you.